الله الرحمن الرحیم. عرض سلام و خسته نباشید دارم خدمت دوستان و دانشجویان عزیز. امیدوار هستم که حالتون خوب باشه. با جلسه دیگری از مباحث درس سمینار در خدمت شما هستیم. Hello to students, I hope you will be okay and you will be good. We have another session about our seminar course. As you know, we spoke or we have spoken up to now about some different things like that, about document writing, about general document writing, about paper writing, about how to select a scientific topic for research, and how to do or how to use from Google to search your things or your research options, and some ethical issues about paper writing. Now we want to speak about some important notes or some important things for writing a good dissertation. As you know, writing a dissertation or thesis is like the general writing, and we know the main things or the basics of general writing, general scientific document writing. But we want to speak about some notes or some things that can improve, that can have a kind of improvement in our thesis or in our dissertation. Then we want to speak about these things or these notes for dissertation writing. Then let me to start about these things. And for the first, we have a map or we have a general view to a thesis. A thesis or a dissertation is like a puzzle. And the main things or the main parts of this puzzle are, as you see, abstract, introduction, literature review, methods or methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion. This is a very good map or a very good puzzle about our thesis, and a very good map about the main parts and the main things of a thesis. As you see, abstract and introduction, both of them is about 1 to the third of a dissertation. Literature review is a quarter of a dissertation, and after this the remaining things or the remaining parts are our discussion, methodology, and our work is really these parts, methods, results, discussion, and conclusion is the research work or is the research process of the scientific researcher. Okay, for the main things, at first we must know that a thesis or a dissertation is too much important. It is too much important for you, for a student, because it is the last stage of your activity in your academic degree or in your academic course. And by studying a dissertation, for example, by studying your dissertation, a person can see how well you know about your academic degree, or how well you learn your courses in your studying. Then a dissertation show your working. A dissertation shows your working, your grade really shows your studying and your abilities. Then a good dissertation can affect the others, and it shows your high ability, and a weak dissertation can show your disabilities really. Then by writing a good dissertation, you can show your abilities and your studies, your good studies and your good works. Really, for a good dissertation writing, you need to know some techniques. Which kind of techniques? Research methodology, research question or research question solving, research research about scientific gaps or finding scientific gaps, and referencing, how to write references of the dissertation. Then a good student is one person that know all these basics or all these principles. As I told you, and you can see in this slide, all of your abilities, all of your skills about scientific research, about scientific studying, about research methods, can be seen in your dissertation. Then a person can really find about you, can know you with your dissertation. A good dissertation, a good effect to a person. A weak dissertation, a bad effect to the person. And now we want to start about these main things or these main notes about dissertation writing. At first, one of the main things about good dissertation is good idea. You must start your dissertation by a good idea. It is a too much important thing for your work. Good idea. Good idea needs too much things. High activity. It needs high activity. Studying many papers. Knowing about new and update references. And other things. It really needs updating of a student. Then by starting a dissertation by a good idea, you can be hopeful that your dissertation will be good. But by starting a weak idea or a medium idea, it means that even if you work so hard, but your dissertation won't be as good